Welcome to our Essential Guide channel. Today, we are discussing emergency response to a car on fire. Car fires are dangerous, unpredictable, and can escalate rapidly. Knowing how to respond effectively could save lives, reduce injuries, and minimize damage. This video will guide you through the essential steps to handle a car fire emergency. Let's start by understanding the causes of car fires. These incidents can result from mechanical failures like overheating engines, fluid leaks, or faulty electrical wiring. Accidents can rupture fuel lines, spark electrical components, or cause fluid leaks that ignite. Arson, flammable materials near the car, or improper handling of fuels. Ensure your vehicle is equipped with a portable fire extinguisher rated for Class B and C fires. Keep it accessible, typically under the driver's seat or in the trunk. Have an emergency kit with items like gloves, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. When you notice signs of a fire, your immediate actions can prevent the situation from escalating. Breathe deeply and focus on assessing the situation. Panic leads to poor decision making. Signal, slow down, and stop the car in a safe location away from traffic, preferably on the side of the road or in an open area. Everyone must exit the vehicle quickly. Ensure children, elderly passengers, and pets are helped out safely. Move at least 100 feet away from the vehicle to avoid exposure to flames, toxic smoke, or potential explosions. If the fire is small and manageable, use a fire extinguisher. Whether you extinguish the fire or not, always contact emergency services on 911 or your local fire department. Share your exact location, details about the fire, and whether anyone is injured or trapped. Emergency responders are trained to handle car fires safely. Avoid returning to the vehicle until they declare the area secure. Seek medical attention. Even minor exposure to smoke or heat warrants a medical checkup. Symptoms may not appear immediately. Call a towing service to move the vehicle safely. Ensure the car is taken to a secure location for inspection. Prevention is always better than response. Here are tips to reduce the likelihood of a car fire. Regularly check for signs of wear and tear, especially on fuel lines, wiring, and hoses. Never ignore dashboard warning lights or unusual smells and sounds. Avoid overfilling your gas tank or spilling fuel during refueling. Don't keep flammable liquids or materials in your vehicle unless necessary. Avoid smoking in the vehicle. Lit cigarettes can accidentally ignite flammable materials. There you have it, fellows. This safety guide will save your life. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others to spread awareness. Preparation is key to safety. Stay alert, stay safe, and drive responsibly.